Good evening, my good people, and a happy new year. For those who have not met, I believe some of you have seen my videos of this year. So today I'm also coming live to you from uh, Nanyuki. So there is this kind of the house that we are working on. You can see it at my back. It's a one-bedroom house, mabati house, and I've been trying to make it more elegant, more attractive, and more than a mabati house. So there's a lot. It has taken quite a while, because it's now 1 month since we started. But it's not because that we are slow, but these guys are also trying to just make things work out for them, because financially sometimes you can be constrained. Building, construction is construction, whether you are doing a mabati house, whether you are doing a stone house, whether you're doing bricks, whether you are doing let's say any, could be it container house. The stress that people go through when doing a construction is the same. There's no one who will say that because I'm doing a mabati house, I have like a freedom. No, it depends with the depth of your pocket, and also it depends with where you want to work, and also the kind of the house that you want to do. Sorry, I'm holding the camera with my hand. That's why it's a little bit shaky. I don't have the tripod. And yes, I just wanted to tell you what we have. I'll also do a video. There's a video I'm going to post concerning this house. So it's the way you are seeing it. There is a lot that we are trying to improve in terms of when we are doing this kind of constructions. So in the initial videos, you'll find that when we are doing the windows, there had been a lot of problems which I want to explain in this video. So those problems is what we were trying to cover now. So that when we are doing such a house, the finishes on the windows, the finishes on the doors, and the frame from the outside may also look elegant like whatever we have done in the inside. Because the last house that we did, we had some issues which I faced when we were doing the cladding on the windows, like whatever you are seeing here, whatever you're seeing on this. There was some not good, good reasons to argue about. So those ones is what we want to at least make sure that we do it better than what we had the other year, or the recent houses that we have done before. And also we have tried to come with this one is just a unique design. So we are trying to work out and make sure that it comes out well than whatever we had before. So let me explain this a bit, so that when you are doing your construction, or maybe you are doing it can help someone as a technician, it can help you also as a client who needs a house, and also it will help you when you are also doing your own house and you want something easy, more elegant, also more beautiful. So let me take you through and explain how it works out here. So hello Nanyuki, welcome back. This is Ken Oshilo. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also share. This will also help this video go viral, or it will also help other people to get information that you are also enjoying now. So let's get through this. So whatever you are seeing this guy is doing there is we are making a grill. There is a window, a dummy window on top there, which we are also going to do here. You see this one, this is the reason why we have not done anything here. So there is a dummy window which is coming on this side. So that one will install by tomorrow morning. I'll do another video. I'll show you all this. So whatever is doing up there is installing that. So let me, before I explain whatever I want to explain, let me show you this. But tomorrow you'll have a good video to see. So you see whatever is doing there, that we are just mounting that window. It's a dummy window. It just brings how do we call that? They bring the beauty of the house. So that's why we are doing that. But anyway, whatever I wanted to explain is this. Initially, it's a little bit dark, so I'm trying to find somewhere where we can also understand this. So you see, initially when we were doing installing those windows, we were just doing it that way. Then again, we do something cladding around here. You see this kind of cladding, we were doing it, but it was not coming out very neat like this one we are doing now. So at the moment you can see whatever you have decided to do is that before we install this, the window, we do this kind of cladding here. So we let me go get in so that you can get the idea what I'm saying. There's this idea. So this is what I'm trying to say. First of all, we insert the window in this kind of a frame so that you see how this one is done. We insert it. See, this one has been inserted. And also you can see this. This is also a grill which we are going to place up there. So you see how it's done. So first of all, we do this. For example, you can see here there's nothing. It's just like this one, how it is. So this one is just coming, we are just going to insert it here. So after inserting this, it will make something like this. You see how this one is looking right now? It looks very, very beautiful. And now it prevents, it makes, because initially this one you were supposed to see this, and also we make, we just cover it with the gypsum. But now this is bringing another theme here. It brings another look, which is quite impressive. So this is what I was saying. So initially this one we were not doing this. We were just putting this on this frame. But that one, because these frames, you see, they are not being polished. It has not been polished. So when it's not polished like this one, it's not smooth like this one, the finishing becomes very, very awkward. But again, now there's something that we have done here. See, there's this cladding that we have also introduced here. So this is just a wood, two-one wood like this one, and we have just done a molding on top of this on one side, and also for the 6-1, let me show you also one of the 6-1 which we have also done the molding. So you can see this one is also 6-1. So this is 6-1, and also we have done the molding on it. So this molding is what we are going to do, placed here. See, this one is the 6-1 and this is the 2-1. So when they are combined together, we are joined together, they make this kind of the beauty you see here. So this make this work very neat. It makes it neat. So at the moment, maybe you cannot even see it clearly because it is not in. It has not been finished. But when we are when we'll be done with all this, you will really be impressed. Because what we are going to do is we are going to do sanding here vizuri, alafu tuipake rangi na alafu tuipake rangi ya white, na hizi dirisha pia tunaenda kupaka rangi ya white. So the beauty will be there with that white. So we have a white, we have a gray iron sheet. So this is not black, this is a gray, this is a charcoal gray iron sheet. It looks very nice when it's blended with that kind of white. You will just see it when it's finished. So the reason why I came up with this idea is that you see here, initially there is because we have this kind of grooves on the windows, so on the mabati. So this kind of grooves, when we have them, I want to demonstrate something. You will bear with me. A little bit disturbing you. So I want to demonstrate this using this one. So tukiweka hii, unaona tukiweka hivi, unaona kuna kamwanya ilikuwa inabaki hapo. Unaona hiyo mwanya? So hiyo mwanya ndio hatutaki kuiona. Hizo mwanya ndio hatutaki kuiona. So when ukiweka hii hivi na upige musumari hapa, so it means that here this one will be, itakuwa inakunjwa so that hii kitu ilale vizuri wakati unapiga. So ikifanywa hivyo ilikuwa inaleta the finishing of the these areas to look more awkward. So that's the main reason, because last time when we have done this kind of the work in our previous work, people have been complaining that the finishing around there is not good, and we have also been listening to that, and then we started doing a lot of marekebisho so that we can do something nice. So later, after finishing doing this, for us to have a good finish, so you see kuna hii na kuna hii, kuna hii. So when this thing landed on this, the finishing will be so neat, like this. You see how this one is not even this one. Let me show you another one. So the finishing will be so neat like this, because this one will be, see how this one, the gap is too small. The gap is too small. See, like that. So that's what we wanted. But now later, what we'll do, we'll use the foam. So we'll cover all these spaces with the foam. So all these spaces you are seeing here, we'll cover with the foam. After covering all this with the foam all around, then we will paint the foam again with the color that we are going to use there. So that's one of the things that we have come with, just to make sure that we have a good finishing than before, because we have to improve, guys. We have to improve. So again, this house, I think I'll give you a proper tour for tomorrow. There's a lot of things that have been done. We have done the plumbing, we have electrical work, but we have not worked on it, and also we are finishing on these ones you are seeing there. So much of this video you will see tomorrow. Much of this video you will see tomorrow, when we shall have finished every details of this house. So for today, I just wanted to explain that, so because I know that can also help you guys. It can also help some people understand whatever you are doing. But we are trying to make sure that we come up with very affordable houses, very affordable this kind of houses, very unique. We are making sure that we give you a most of the decent type of the houses that we can get in the market. So don't worry at the moment, because we are coming with solutions. Just give us the job. If you give us the job, we are going to give you what you want. Come up with your own designs. We'll deliver according to how you want it. So if you are new here, I go by the name Ken Ochilo. We welcome you back, because this is the 2026, and we want just to improve in everything that we are doing here, and also make the life easier for you, for those who want to build their mansions and dream houses, and they don't have that plan. They want to move on the land that they have just purchased. Call us so that we can give you a very decent houses like these ones, and it will really help you grow, and it will help you. It will cut a lot of cost for you in terms of paying the rent in these towns. So for example, here we are also doing the same. These guys will have their houses on this top, but you can see from down there, that house has been built there. So this is what they will move in with, and later this one also they will use it as Airbnb according to their plan. So that's why they are making it this neat and this elegant. So for you, you can also decide on what you want to do, but stay tuned, because tomorrow I'll give you a very comprehensive details about this house, and you'll get it only in this channel. Otherwise, I go by the name Ken Ochilo. It's evening in Nanyuki, and Nanyuki, when it's in the evening, it's very cold, and I don't want to get pneumonia. So I'll leave you at that point, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.